Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While eating poorly is always the primary issue that needs correcting, not eating enough can cause athletes to lose muscle mass, lack energy and place them in a state of high stress, as this article explains.
Take our lead.
Intermittent fasting probably does not cause more muscle loss than other weight loss diets. Nevertheless, adding exercise, especially weight training, to your intermittent fasting program can help you maintain muscle. However, whether or not you exercise during fasting periods is up to you.
Take our lead.
Look out for these signs that the weight you are losing is more muscle than fat. You're losing too much weight, too fast. You feel more tired than usual. You're not eating enough protein. You're not using your muscles. You're not allowing yourself to recover. You're not sleeping enough.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.